I'm at Berkeley Spring 2017. We're unboxing this Valk. Let's go.
Yeet.
We're with other people. Oh, here's the
My
pamphlet.
2-year Cuban anniversary.
Oh yeah, same. This one's mine. I went to Berkeley Spring 2015.
Same.
Yeah, I didn't. I went to Armin.
Yeah.
Is this gonna go on YouTube? Maybe. Probably. Hi YouTube!
Whoa, you're on YouTube?
Can I try it? Is it good? It's a little sluggish.
I need to try it.
Don't get my face. Are you getting my face?
No. Okay. How the heck could he get your face from that angle?
Yeah, you can see the lube in it. It's pretty tight,
I would like to try.
actually.
Wait, how tight is it?
At one point, I kept my Valk super tight, but yeah, it was so fast.
Ah, memories. I got my first Valk for Christmas.
Are you getting my face in that? No. Okay.
I'm like moving it around so they can't see what I'm doing.
Oh,
My fingertips.
Let's see what Matt's Valk wrote you. I might use this for my OH, mate. Okay. I'm not even competing against. See we have a Valk 3 pamphlet. Valk 3 thing. Yeah. More Valk 3 things. A message from Matt's Valk to the Valk 3 thing. Another Valk 3 thing. And the best part, another Valk 3 and a sticker. Okay, so I'm gonna compare. Oh, that's my new. Wait, don't show my face. So here's the new Valk. It's compared to my magnetic, broken-in, amazing, godly Valk. The Angel of Cubes. Yep, it's amazing. Here's the normal Valk. I haven't tried one of these in a long time, so... That one needs to be loosened a little bit, that's what I think. It's not that bad, to be honest. Not that much, but it's a little tight. Did they change the Valk logo? Let me see. It looks a little different, right? I'm not sure, maybe it's more clear. It looks a little thinner, the letters. So yeah, here's the normal Valk. Here's the Valk down. Oh yeah, this one's really nice. Yeah. Cool. Okay, yeah, end the video.